Are you a die-hard sports fan looking to represent your favorite team with pride? Look no further than bstjersey.com, your one-stop destination for authentic and affordable jerseys from all the major sports leagues. Whether you're into football, baseball, basketball, soccer, or hockey, we've got you covered with a vast collection of officially licensed merchandise. At bstjersey.com, we understand the passion and dedication that sports fans have for their teams. That's why we've made it our mission to provide you with high-quality jerseys that not only look great but also allow you to showcase your unwavering support. From iconic NFL jerseys to sleek NBA apparel, we offer an extensive range of styles, sizes, and player options to ensure you find the perfect fit. But that's not all, we also pride ourselves on offering unbeatable prices on our premium jerseys. Gone are the days of breaking the bank to show your team spirit. At bstjersey.com, we believe that every fan deserves to own their favorite player's jersey without compromising on quality or breaking the bank. Shopping with us is a breeze, thanks to our user-friendly website and secure checkout process. Simply browse through our vast collection, select your desired jersey, and have it shipped directly to your doorstep. And if you're a member of our exclusive Discord VIP community, you'll enjoy even more perks and benefits. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your game day experience. Head over to bstjersey.com today and explore our extensive collection of jerseys. And for those watching this video, be sure to check out the link in the description box to access our website directly. At bstjersey.com, we're more than just a jersey retailer, we're a community of passionate sports fans united by our love for the game. Join us today and let your favorite team's colors shine bright, no matter where you are. Represent your team, your city, and your pride with bstjersey.com's premium jerseys.